Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a strange new world we live in. New terms like social distancing, new normal, and flattening the curve are now commonly used. Wearing face masks and gloves are now routine. One of the best ways to illustrate our new normal is to show you how my everyday carry has changed. So this is what my EDC used to be. Normal. First, we have the Air Day Sling 2. I'll put a link of my review on the description below. Next, we have my modified Seiko Spectre watch. We also have a tactical pen. The Halo GT1. Again, I'll post a link to my review in the description below. My main phone is the Xiaomi Mi 9T. A dual-purpose power bank and charger. And finally, a 3-in-1 USB charging cable. So that was my pre-COVID EDC, and now this is my current or anti-COVID EDC. First, we have a washable face mask with a replaceable filter. Next, we have a pair of nitrile gloves. Of course, you need alcohol, a portable UV light sterilizer, a pulse oximeter for taking your pulse and blood oxygen level, a forehead thermometer for taking a quick temperature reading. I bet you're wondering what these are. Well, they're called side shields. They convert your glasses into safety goggles. I don't know if it really helps, but any added protection can't hurt, right? And the last item doesn't really have a particular name. It's just called an Antibacterial EDC. You can use it for opening doors, pressing elevators. The tip also works as a stylus, so you can use it with your phone or at the ATM. Basically, it's an extension of your finger, so you don't need to touch anything. I hope you liked my everyday carry review. Now I have some extra items which I want to give away. I have a pair of side shields, a forehead thermometer, and the antibacterial gadget. I'll put them in one anti-COVID EDC care package for a lucky subscriber. Unfortunately, because of the local quarantine restrictions, I can only ship to within Metro Manila. All you need to do is to subscribe and comment, and I'll pick a winner on May 31. Again, if you like this review, don't forget to like and subscribe.